guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button down below and make sure that you don't miss out on any new videos that I post. Alright, so in today's video, I wanted to talk about how to create a vision board. As you can tell by the title of the video, I have been lately thinking about my goals and just, dreams and things like that that I want to accomplish. And so I wanted to talk about how I created my vision board. If you are thinking about creating one, or if you have created one and you want to learn some tips and tricks, keep watching. So I created my vision board actually just recently, and I actually did it using Canva. I definitely talk about Canva in my last video. I talk about how to use it for creating thumbnails, such as these. And I talk about how to create a thumbnail and my tips and tricks. I'll leave that down in the description box below so you guys can check that out as well. But with Canva, you can definitely do a lot of different images and different cool graphics that you can use. So that's kind of why I use it, and it's very easy to use. So the reason why I use Canva is because I can just take images from online, post them onto Canva, and rearrange them how I want them to look. And one reason why I like using online versus like a poster board is because I can change it. I can kind of update it as I go along. If I have more goals I want to achieve, or if I've accomplished them, I could take that image off of my digital board. And where I like to post it is on my laptop. I actually put it right on my desktop screensaver. That's another tip you can use. I love to put it on my desktop screensaver because that's what I look at every day. I use my laptop every day. And so to be able to open up my laptop and be able to see my vision board, see what I'm trying to accomplish this year, it's a constant reminder. It's a constant notification of what you are trying to accomplish. So that's a great tool to use as well. You can also use a poster board as well. That's perfectly fine. I've done a poster board before, but what I love about digital is that you can put it on multiple things. You can even use it on your phone. That's another good tip to use. You can put it on your lock screen or your main home screen, which is a great tool. And that way it's a constant reminder. Again, you want to have these goals and these visions in mind right in front of you every day. You want to see it and know that, okay, this is what I want to achieve. This is what I need to keep doing. This is why I need to keep being consistent. This is why I'm doing this, because this is the end goal that you're trying to achieve. So some of the things that I have on my vision board is obviously like health. I want to be in good health, and I have fitness goals. And then I also have travel. If you know me, I definitely love to travel. I used to travel a lot a while ago, but ever since everything going on, I haven't traveled as much, but I definitely want to get back into that. So on a part of my vision board, I have travel, and I have like passport and images of places that I want to go to. So that's a great tool to use as well, and think about different things that you want to do. If you want to open up a business, you can put business plans and things like that you want to achieve. If you're trying to accomplish a new job, you can maybe put that job of that company that you want to work for. Or if you're trying to work for yourself, you can put, self-employed items on your board. If you're trying to, I don't know, maybe be a chef, you can put cooking things on there. And just different things that you're trying to accomplish. You can definitely customize it to how you would like. Another tip you can do is I like to take a screenshot and post it on my mirror in the bathroom. And you might think that's kind of interesting, but it's true. It's a place where you go in every day, and so you constantly see it, and it's a constant reminder. As soon as you wake up in the morning, you go in the bathroom, your goals are right there. So to constantly have that everywhere you look, my phone, it's on my laptop, it's in the bathroom, it's constantly letting me know, okay, this is what you're trying to do. You need to keep going. You need to keep pushing. You need to keep striving. You have to put in the time, the grit, the determination to accomplish these items. So I actually like that. I actually have something in my bathroom where I have like some goals that I want to accomplish, and it really is helpful, and it really does help keep you on track. But yeah, you can definitely use a poster board. You can definitely you know, put items on a poster board. I used to cut out stuff from magazines. That would be kind of my tip that I would use. Or you can definitely take stuff off online and cut them out and put them on the board. You can also use a pin board. That's actually a good one too. You can just kind of tack it onto your pin board and just kind of tack the pictures on there. And that's another good tip as well. But you know, with a vision board, you know, you really want to know that, okay, what are the things that you're trying to accomplish and what are the most important things that you want to achieve this year. And it's really nice because at the end of the year, you can really see, okay, how far have I come? Have I accomplished these things? If you have, you can cross them off the board or cross them off your list and really see, okay, how far that I have come for this year and what did I achieve? And it really is cool to see where you were at the beginning of the year versus where you are at the end of the year. And so I want to talk about that. I'll show you over here kind of my vision board, some of the things I have on it. I have houses on kind of the left side because I definitely want to buy a house in the future. So that's kind of like my dream goal. And I have, you know, travel as well on there, and I have you know, some career aspirations as well, so I have that on my board. And then anything that you want to accomplish, you want to put it on your board and just remind yourself that, okay, this is what I'm trying to achieve, this is really where I want to be, let me put down my goals and my dreams and my aspirations. So another good tip you can do for your vision board is I like to categorize. So I like to put, you know, certain items in this corner, you know, health, travel, and in the upper left side corner. I just try to categorize them in categories. That way they're all in kind of one area. I feel like that's a good way to kind of prepare when you're getting your board ready. You can kind of put certain items in one corner and other visions that you have in another corner, and that way it just kind of lays out very nicely and it all kind of stays within its own group or category. And so that's another good tip that I've also learned as well. But yeah, using Canva is great. You can definitely add some extra graphics and sort of images that you want to put on your board. A good thing about using it digitally is that, you know, if you accomplish it throughout the year, you could take it right off and put a new vision or a new goal that you have for yourself on there. So you can constantly update it. And I think that's the nice part about digital, is that, you know, you can always change it, you can always go back to it, you can always edit and fix it how you want. So that's why I love to do it digitally, because I can kind of update it, edit, and kind of change things that I feel throughout the year. And I love that I can post it in multiple places. Like I said, I have it on my phone, I have it on my laptop, I'll even print it out and put it in my bathroom as well. But yeah, I think digitally gives you that option to have it in multiple places and to be able to constantly have that reminder. You know, because anything in life, anything that you're trying to accomplish, it's going to take work. It's going to take determination, persistency, and just being consistent and grinding and putting in that time. But seeing that vision board is your reminder. It's saying, okay, this is what you want to accomplish. This is what you want to achieve. You can do it. Just keep going. And then at the end of the year, you can see just how far you've come. You can see what you've accomplished. And I think that's really cool to be able to have this vision and see it come to life. And so, yeah. So yeah, that's how I create my vision board, guys. Let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have a vision board and what sort of things you have on there, or if you're thinking about creating a vision board. Let me know if these tips or tricks help you in creating yours. And definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I post videos every week. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.